My name is TSgt Kyle Lawrence. I'm currently a flight sergeant for the Security Forces Squadron at Seymour Johnson Air Force Base.
So, as the Defense Force Commander, all Blue UAS operations fall under the support of the Defense Force Commander in defense of the base. TSgt Kyle Lawrence is our first trained pilot, and he's been operating it here for about 60 days.
So in order to operate the UAS, the operator does not have to be outside the wire per se. It can absolutely be from a defended location, launch the UAS, and then reach out and observe or complete the mission without ever leaving the safety of the defended area. So the purpose of the program is really to provide an ISR platform for security forces, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. We use it as a tool for law enforcement, such as random anti-terrorism measures, major incidents, as a bird's eye view so that we can get a good view on the situation without having to put anybody in harm's way. It can also be used downrange for the same reason, right? We can put it outside the wire, take a look without having to expose any of our defenders.
We are the first unit in ACC to operate the Blue Small Unmanned Aerial System.
So this technology better prepares our defenders and our defensive force against our near peers. So a near peer adversary is those countries that hold a military power that's the closest relative to the United States.